Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Isigate Road in Umuahia. I want to show you guys how the nightlife is beginning to come little by little in Umuahia. So this is Isigate Road where you find a lot of businesses, restaurants, and other things. So this is the Choice Fast Food. This one and this is also a pharmacy. You can see cars parked there. People are buying medicine and all that. And these are shops. Some boutiques are also open by this time. But by this time in Umuahia, everywhere they dark, everybody go day in house. This is where people come and eat money. Then this is where people come and spend time. This is a lounge and a spot, a pub. So this is Barbados lounge and Plata Grills. Plata Grills where you come and eat, and the lounge over there too. Okay, so we are still in Isigate Road, Umuahia. That's a church building over there. Okay, so keep watching this video to know how nightlife is coming. Small in Umuahia. So that's Jovit. It's also a restaurant. It has a lounge too, where you can come and eat, chill with your friends, your girlfriends, your partner. And this is the number one in Umuahia. This is the Latinos. This is the Latinos in Umuahia. Okay, this is where people come and spend, time with their partners, friends, chill, everything chilling. Yeah. This is number one in Umuahia, the Latinos. So this is Abam Road. Umuahia, not far from Saklos. You all know Saklos. Okay, so this is Abam Road, and here is another restaurant. This is another restaurant. Okay, we have a lot of restaurants in Umuahia. So this is Gate, the popular Gate, Umuahia. This is the popular Gate. You can see the tricycle movement. You can see even go slow by this time. So some of them are going to their houses, or some people are also coming out to town to chill. You can see people. You can see keke. You understand? So from here, I'm going to take you guys to Abam Road. From Abam Road, then we'll go straight to Ubakala. Okay? You can see people's stores. Some people's stores are open. That's a boutique. You understand? People are still doing business here by this time. Okay? So the way you're seeing the lights sparkling up, I think blue and green, that's slots. You all know slots. That is in Gate. So that's slot building over there. Okay, so we are going to continue moving. Please keep watching this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like and share this video. So we keep moving. This video is just to show you how nightlife is coming, small to Umuahia. You can agree with me that the nightlife in Umuahia was very, very poor. By this time before, some years ago in Umuahia, you wouldn't come out and see people, movement like this, So maybe the street lights and some other things have, made nightlife to start coming back to life in Umuahia, Abia State. Okay, so I think we are very close to what clock. Yes, I think we're very close to what clock. You know what clock? That's the tower, but not the Abia tower. The other tower inside, close to bend the road. Okay, you can see the tower I'm talking about. What clock? Okay, there's a roundabout here too. Okay, so we are still moving. Okay, please, if this is your first time of tuning in, thank you very much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And if you're a returning viewer, I want to say thank you very much for watching my videos. Okay, you can notice that some stores are closed, but you still see a few that are still open. If you look by the side in this video, you'll see some stores that are still open, like some boutiques that are, on this road here in Abam Road are still open. You can see that one over there. You can see this one is closed. This one is closed, but you can still see some that are open. Okay. Yeah. So these are people's shops, stores that some of them locked up for the day. Some of them are still open. Yeah, you can see them. And this is a pharmacy also. 24 hours on. That pharmacy is on 24 hours. You can come anytime of the day and buy medicine. The road over there, that is a bank road. Okay, we keep moving. Just keep watching the video. What you see in front will shock you. Just keep watching the video. So with these street lights, you can drive in Umuahia any time of the night. That's Abia Specialist Hospital by the side over there. Okay, we'll keep moving. So these around the Golden Guinea. These around Golden Guinea. That's opposite it. You get a UBA bank, a bank there. Yeah, and we are very close to prisons. You can see Golden Guinea fence. It's still here. If you look where you see Golden Guinea fence. So okay, guys, it won't be long, and then we'll get to Isigate. You know Isigate? Yeah, it's popular. It's a popular place in Umuahia, Isigate. So we still there Abam Road. We are still in Abam Road. We are approaching Isigate. You can see the street lights. You can see the bike in front of me. People are still moving around by this time. But I'm pretty sure some years ago in Umuahia, by this time, you hardly see anyone on the road by this time. But Umuahia is developing small, and development also comes with nightlife. Yeah, if you go to developed places, if you go to Lagos, Owerri, Port Harcourt, nightlife, they all those places. Okay, we are still okay. I think we are close to ceramics, and like I said before, we are approaching Isigate, so you can see the street lights well arranged. You understand? We be say motorists go to see road if they waka by this time. You understand? Okay, so we are in Isigate right now. You can see this shop, this pharmacy, and another store over there still open. Okay, so we are heading now to Umuahia. Okay, we are heading to Umuahia. You know Umuahia now, where Federal Girls is located. Okay, so that's the roundabout there. Okay, so I'm going to show you something that maybe you might have not seen if you are outside Umuahia. The new street lights that we are being put, in Ubakala. So you're going to see it in this video. See where they buy banana, fruits, bread. They are still open by this time. Okay. So for people that are returning late, they can stop by and buy what they need. So we are in Umuahia right now. This is Umuahia. And this road you're seeing here leads to Ubakala, and from Ubakala it connects to Abam Road, the road leading straight to Abam. Okay, so you can see the new street lights. These lights, it made the place look so beautiful. It goes straight to Ubakala. Okay, so you can drive, seeing the road very well. You understand? Thanks for watching my videos. I still have more interesting videos on my channel. So this is Ubakala. This is Ubakala Junction. Thanks for watching my video.